When you try to cook like a chef, but reality hits, video starts with you holding a fancy cookbook, looking very confident and pretty. You walk into the kitchen. Text on screen. Today I'm cooking like a chef. Voiceover. I watched one cooking tutorial. How hard can it be? The next scene, you try to chop some veggies. You take a carrot and slice it, and instead of falling into the bowl, it flies across the kitchen and hits a bowl. You look shocked. A little carrot pieces fall into the bowl. Comedy beat. A cartoon bowing sound effect plays. Voiceover. Okay, maybe chopping is harder than it looks. I got this. Next, you're trying to flip a pancake. You flip it up and it sticks to the ceiling. You stare at it frozen. Text overlay. Nailed it. Voiceover. Okay, maybe cooking tutorials leave out some small details. You walk away from the stove and start plating your food. It looks messy and chaotic, but you're proud. You take a bite and your eyes widen in surprise. Text overlay. Expectation Vs. Reality. 0 to 100. You give a thumbs up to the camera. Voiceover. So maybe I'm not a pro chef, but hey, it still tastes amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your funniest cooking fails. If you want, you can add a quick montage of other kitchen fails with funny music playing. Extra tips. Use fun sound effects like bowings, pops, and cartoon slips. Add fast jump cuts for extra comedic timing. Keep captions so people who watch without sound can enjoy it too.